You are welcome to this channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to convert decimals to binary. To be able to do that, let's understand the decimal and the binary system. Now, decimals are number system used by human beings to do the accounting. It is known as the base 10 number system or the binary system. Take note of that. Now, decimals begins from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it begins from 0 and ends at 9. If you are to count these digits, you get exactly 10 digits. Now the rest are combination of the digits over there. They are just repeated numbers, right? So from 0 to 9, we've used 0. So let's start counting again by repeating the ones. So it's going to be 1 throughout, right? And then the same number systems beside it. So 1 and 0, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5. So we'll get to 1 and 9. Now to continue, we've used 0, we've used 1. So the next repeated number is going to be what? 2. Then we repeat the same number system again. So 2 and 0, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, so we get to 2 and 9. To continue, we repeat 3 and then start counting again using the same number system. So 3 and 0, 3 and 1, so we get to 3 and 9, and so on and so forth. So this is how we do our counting. Now in base 2 use 2 number system, just 0 and 1. Base 2, also known as binary, it uses number system known as binary digits. Let's learn how to convert decimals to binary. To be able to do that, now just create a table, a simple table like this. Label this place the base, the number, and then the remainder. Now the base we are to convert it into is base 2, put it here. The number you are converting, 370, put it here. Now find the number of times the 2 go into the 370, write the remainder. Keep doing that till the number becomes 0. So 2 go into 370 how many times? To do that, this is a simple way. Just expand 370. 370 equals 300 plus 70. Right, divide both by 2. 300 divided by 2 give you 150. 70 divided by 2 will give you what? 35. So when you put all together, you get 185. So 2 going to 370, 185, remainder 0. Repeat your 2. And then find the number of times 2 go into 185. You can expand it as well. 185 is equal to 100 plus 80 plus 5, right? So 100 divided by 2, 80 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. 80 divided by 2 will give us 40. 5 divided by 2 will give us what? 2, remainder 1. Right? 2 will go into 5. 2 times remainder 1. So after adding all this, our remainder is going to be what? 1. So 50 plus 40 plus 2. I forgot the addition, plus 2 will give us 92, remainder 1. So repeat your 2. 2 go into 92 how many times? 46, remainder 0. 2 go into 46 how many times? 23, remainder 0. 2 go into 23 how many times? 11, remainder 1. 2 go into 11 how many times? 5, remainder 1. 2 go into 5 how many times? 2, remainder 1. 2 go into 2 how many times? 1, remainder 0. Now 2 go into 1 how many times? 0, remainder 1. The 1 here, since 2 cannot go into 1, automatically 1 becomes our remainder, right? So we've been able to do our division. This place is 0, which means we are done. Let's read our answer from the bottom. Now take note, the answer is always written from the bottom to the top, like this. So our answer is going to be 101110010 base 2. Alright, let's try our hands on the second one. Now we have to convert 58 base 10 to base 2, which is binary. To do that, as usual, put your base here. The number is 58. Put it here. Find the number of times the base will go into the number. Write your remainder. So let's do it this way. Now 2 will go into 58 how many times? Let's expand 58. Is equal to 50 plus 8. 50 divided by 2 will give us 25. 8 divided by 2 will give us what? 4. So when you put all together, you are going to get 29. Right? 2 will go into 58. 29 times remainder 0. Repeat your 2. 2 will go into 29 how many times? So 29 expanded will be 20 plus 9 divided by 2 divided by 2. This is 10. This is 4 remainder 1. So it's going to be 14 remainder 1. Repeat your 2. 2 going to 14 how many times? 7 remainder 0. Repeat your 2. 2 going to 7 how many times? 3 remainder 1. Repeat your 2. 2 going to 3 how many times? 1 remainder 1. Repeat your 2. 2 going to 1 how many times? 0 remainder 1. So we read our answer from the bottom to the top. We'll get 111010 base 2. Let's try hands on the last one. We have to convert 146 base 10 to binary. Now we put our base here, the number 146 here. Then we find the number of times that 2 will go into 146, right? So how many times will 2 go into 146? Let's expand it. 100 plus 40 plus 6. That is 146. So now divide all by 2. This will give us 50 plus 20 plus 3. Put it all together, you get 73. So 2 will go into 146. 73 remainder 0. 73 remainder 0. Now we repeat our 2. Now let's expand the 73. It's going to be 70 plus 3. 70 divided by 2 will give us 35 plus this divided by 2 will give us 1 remainder 1. So you are going to get 36 remainder 1. Repeat your 2. 2 will go into 36 how many times? 18 remainder 0. 2 will go into 18 how many times? 9 remainder 0. 2 will go into 9 how many times? 4 remainder 1. 2 will go into 4 how many times? 2 remainder 0. 2 will go into 2 how many times? 1 remainder 0. 2 will go into 1 how many times? 0 remainder 1. So in reading our answer, we are going to get 1001010 base 2.